You already know I only come through with straight facts. And this time, it's not just your heart telling you that you want her to be your girlfriend. I'm coming to you with straight science, bro. Like today, I'm gonna show you scientifically how you can make that girl yours. Let's hop into this. Number one, you gotta be physically attractive. I hate to break it to you, bro. How you look acts as a gatekeeper to women. Your personality, your money, your charisma, none of that matters if she doesn't even give you a chance. But according to this study, when a man meets a certain level of attractiveness, that's when women pay attention and now are interested in his other attributes. And since we already know based on this study that 91% of Americans believe that clothes can make you more attractive, so there's your key. That's where you start. You fixed your clothes. I want you to run to the link down below because our Essentials site just went on sale and we already know our Essentials Basics makes every dude attractive. Like, let's be real. There is a reason why millions of men around the globe have tried Essentials and they all say the same thing. Like, yo, these are the best basics for guys. They fit great, they make you look great, they're comfortable so you feel confident, and now everything's up to 70% off, bro. Like, yo, the store just launched, everything is selling like crazy, you don't want to miss it. Not only that, we've been sold out for months on popular items like our utensils, our Henleys, our cargos, and with this whole back supply chain issue, it's been hard to get it in. We restocked for Black Friday and all of that is up to 70% off as well. Not to mention that if you spend up to every 200 bucks you spend, we're gonna send you a free crew neck sweater. The point is, I literally wanna load your closet up with basic essentials. Boys, I've been telling you this for over a month because I already know this stuff is flying. Our website is literally crashing as we speak. And the thing is that right now, this is the best time to stock up. You'll never see prices this low, and it's great to give gifts. We sell women's clothes as well, so buy some for your girlfriend, your friend, your sister, your cousin, your mom, your aunt. Bro, we got you covered on all aspects for your wardrobe and everybody else's. And the more you buy, the more entries you have in our $15,000 cash giveaway. 15 guys are gonna have $1,000 in cash in their order, and again, the more you buy, the more chances you have of winning. And if that's not enough, we got same-day delivery. We just partner with Alway. Anybody that lives in New York City, if you order today, like right now, go and order, the order's gonna get delivered today, right now. See, we're delivering same-day delivery in the city like Amazon. Who? Bro, we are leveling this thing up. I don't want you to miss out. You'll never see sales like this again, and I promise you. I mean, this stuff it's selling out at this point. If I were you, like, I'd click that link down now. Number two, you gotta be trustworthy. See, now that you've bought Essentials and now you're looking attractive, I mean, just look how good this hoodie looks. Now she's gonna be judging you on other traits. The gate has been open and she's gonna be judging all of your traits. And according to a study of 10,000 women, trustworthiness ranked really high as an important trait that they're looking for a long-term partner, which is really not too hard to do. As a man, just keep your word, what you say goes, and yeah, she'll be yours. Number three, have healthy skin. See, too many men focus on being masculine or having a masculine structured face, but forget about the skin itself. Soft, supple, perfect, flawless skin is a good sign of good health, and when fertile women are looking to mate, these are subtle little details that they'll pick up off you, whether you'll be a good long-term partner for her or not, which is really no surprise here. And according to this study, it's just your skin is just as important when it comes to mating, especially in the long term, because of that signal of good health. So again, no surprise, eat your vegetables, kids. You guys want that golden skin. You need to have a skincare routine as well. Number four, have an average body type. Like, you don't have to be the douche snapping pictures of yourself every day that you go to the gym. The only guys that are impressed about that are your own boys, your own guys. No girl actually wants to see that. Girls are actually after dad bods. The dude that has a little bit of extra cushion. And this is specifically from a survey from over 70,000 women where they describe the average body type as being the most attractive, meaning you need to just stay healthy, right? You need to physically work out, you need to eat healthy, and that in of itself is gonna give you that natural physique where you look athletic, but you don't look like C-Bum, for example. You don't look like you're on roids, and now you're just living a healthy lifestyle, which is more than what women already want. Now with all that extra time, instead of spending it juicing up or spending hours in the gym, you can spend it on your purpose. You can spend it investing in traits that will not only pay you a return to yourself, but will also, number five, impress your future girlfriend. which is intelligence. I want you to spend that extra time reading books, listening to podcasts, having more life experiences. I want you to expand your knowledge. The more wide and diverse your knowledge is, the more likable you are to women. And research of over 10,000 women placed intelligence as their second most important trait when looking for that long-term partner. And the sad part is that most men, they're not even focusing on this stuff. So I want you to set your sights and your focus right on yourself, on your mind, and I promise you that girl, yeah, she's gonna be your girl, bro. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to drop us a like down below, and don't forget to run over to Essentials. Boys, the Black Friday weekend sale is now live. You don't want to miss this. That's it for me today. See you next time.